It's Father's Day. Let's say as fathers are celebrating the fruits of being fathers. Not social media dads who are gladly not dads, social media sperm donors who are only fathers on social media when there's barely a trace of their existence in their children's lives. And their excuse is, Mama umntwana akafuni ngibona umntwana. Abo baba serious. Abo baba ingane abantu abaziyo ukuthi bazele. Okusikayo kubo mama ngambona umntanabo. Bagijima ama-coach ukuthi lo mfazi ngiyomlwisa even if it's the last thing I do, because umntanami and no child of mine will grow up without a father. But ke asikho lapho. Into nje ngifuna ukuyisho ukuthi mangabe bongekho elifini yomntwana kwadlula iminyaka neminyaka awusasubaba wena. Even if you do decide to resurface or take on responsibility, uncle, you are going to be Uncle Smangmang, my husband and myself will father and mother our children. When? Uncle.
Hello everyone, Ganochisano and welcome to my channel. Now, you know, in South Africa, Father's Day is also a day to call out deadbeats, ukubafikisela ngamagama, and so on. So that was the singer Kelly Khumalo sort of directing a message to her first baby daddy, Molimo Jub Jub Maruhanye, this past Father's Day. Now, Kelly Khumalo has 3 baby daddies. The first baby daddy is Jub Jub, as mentioned. The second baby daddy is the South African goalkeeper Senzo Meyiwa, who passed on whilst visiting Kelly Khumalo in 2014. As to what happened to him, that's still battled in court almost 11 years on. While Senzo Meyiwa did not live long enough to be called a deadbeat, judging from that picture, it seems like he was present. Kelly Khumalo's third baby daddy is another professional football player, Mthokozi Siyende. Now, Mthokozi Siyende has the child he shares with Kelly Khumalo all over Instagram. So, it's difficult to say Kelly was not taking a jab at him as well, because she said something about social media dads. Mthokozi Siyende doesn't seem like an absent dad. Although we don't know what happens off social media, he just doesn't seem like an absent dad. But Jub Jub, that message was definitely for him. Jub Jub is not present. I don't know why he's not present. I don't know why he hasn't taken the court route, because he can definitely afford. Kelly definitely has a fair share of not allowing Jub Jub to see their son. But what has Jub Jub done because he has the means? What measures did he take to see his son? Still on Father's Day, the artist Sizwe Alkaline, or Reason, I'm sticking to Reason, decided to show that he's not a deadbeat by sharing videos and pictures of all his 6 children. Social media was not happy that he has 6 children with 3 different women. All I know is that he has 2 children with the ex-wife, twins with Lute Love, and then the other 2, Angbazi Shem. Social media is suspecting that baby number 5 is the reason that Lute Love went like, nope, I'm out of here. What social media has also noticed about Reason is that as a father of many, he just doesn't go for women with children. He's been going for women with no children, giving them children and moving on to the next, apparently. Now, social media is warning his current girlfriend Gigi Lamayne to run before she falls pregnant and becomes baby mama number 4. Meanwhile, someone alluded that Gigi is already pregnant. The person said her first child is her boyfriend's 7th child. Iska. Anyway, do let me know what you think about all of this in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.